Hey, how y'all doing? All right, I am back in the garage as you can see, uh, but today is not going to be a typical day. I've got a new project in line. It's a small project that's going to take uh, just a few minutes of my time and yours. Okay, and it's in that box right there beside me or behind me. Okay, why don't I go ahead and show you? Here we go. Mhm. Hmm. Got any ideas yet? Maybe, maybe not. Sling blade. Okay, I'll go ahead and tell you what I'm doing. I'll tell you what I'm not doing. Okay, I'm not taking up gardening. All right, so rest assured. I'll tell you what I am doing. Oh, picked up this where I got all this stuff at. I picked up this really cool Craftsman double boxed in wrench, which I thought was really cool, and I might even come in very handy. So, what am I doing? What am I doing here with all this junk? Huh? Has anybody guessed yet? I will tell you. Now let me move it over here. I'll move you all over here too as well. Because this is going to be really, really nice. And for some of you all, this might be something you might want to pay very close attention to. Okay. Let's see. All right. Here we go. All right. This is my haul, or a portion of it. I'll show you the rest of it here. Got another vise too. Okay, so now I've got two. I've been looking for one for a while. I've been looking for an old one. Some of the newer ones are, So anyway, I'm kind of picky about that sort of thing. But let me show you this new project here. What I'm going to be doing. This is going to be a welding project, and it's going to be consisting of mostly just probably going to be take me most of the day to accomplish, but it's going to be really, really super cool. I think you're going to really, really like it. And here's what's going to happen. Okay, what I've got is all of these old used gardening implements and utensils. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this stuff, okay, like this and this. These, you can see they're pretty well worn out. So I'm not like, robbing the world of some, exclusive thing, here, or stealing something that's you know, basically I'm telling you, this isn't something that's like worth a heck of a lot of money, really. I mean, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using this stuff for a new project where I'm going to be making a pot rack. Okay. Now, Now, I know some of you are like kind of scratching your heads and thinking, okay, he's fell and hit his head again. But here's the thing. I'm thinking about doing it like this. Can you see here? This is going to be like the main hoop here, okay? And then I'm going to have, this is going to be welded in there. I'm going to turn this upside down from now because it's just easier to manipulate like this right now. And then these guys are probably going to be like welded to this, so I can hang, you can hang stuff off of them, you know, one on each side. This, let's see, these are going to be like welded to that. I'm probably going to cut these off of both of these shovels, and maybe this off of this rake. I don't know, rake, hoe. But I'm gonna do something like that, okay? So I'm just gonna lay that down there like that. And then this is gonna be, okay? Then these parts are probably gonna go, and they're gonna probably be like supports that are gonna go down or something along those lines. This part is gonna go on the wall here. Oh, sorry, my arm's in the way. There we go, that's better. All right, so you see the two shovel heads are going to go attached to the wall, and then they're going to attach to this, to the pick there, and then the hoe head is going to attach to the wall as well. I'm probably going to have some other little metal pieces that's going to run from the hoe down to the shovel heads. I might use these for that. Okay, but the yeah, I've got a couple of blades here I can use for that sort of thing. Anyway, I don't have a whole lot of money in all of this, but yeah, this is going to be a really cool little welding project. I already made one like this. Oh, I wanted to like incorporate these in there. They're aluminum, so I don't know that I'll be able to or not. Maybe I can. Maybe I can like bolt these on somewhere. Hopefully I can. But the problem is aluminum, it's really super hard to weld it to steel. I think it can be done, but it's like that's another level of welding there that I don't have the capability of doing that. So you see where I'm going with this, this kind of project. This is going to be something, I've already made one like this. It's in my house right now. If you want to see more of that, let me know. Now, I will go ahead and just warn you all out there. I am not a professional welder. I am self-taught. I'm just picking this up, like, you know, I think I started welding when I was in my late 30s, very late 30s, maybe very early 40s, and I'm 50 now, so you can understand that it's something I'm getting into, but, you know, so the way you see me weld, you may be like, ugh, oh God, no, I would never do that, you know, because you may like the very elaborate, very pretty welds, you know, that some people make, you know, stuff like that. And I don't really do that. So anyway, my welds are more functional. They're more about functionality rather than being like, you know, the very pretty welds that people make, you know. I'm not bashing that, okay? I mean, because that's some really good talent there. Hopefully one day I can get to that level, but yeah, not right now. I can't do that right now. So anyway, but but I thought I would just kind of preview this, show off my haul of stuff. Uh, Rest assured, the wrench and the vise are not going to be a part of one of these. They're going to actually be doing their actual intended jobs. So um, the rest of this stuff, though, doesn't have a lot of hope of returning as, you know, into this. I mean, when you look at this, it's plastic handle. It's rusty and crusty, and somebody would most likely just usually throw this thing in the garbage and say, "Screw it, I'm not. I don't care." But I'm actually going to take it and make something out of it. So anyway, um, but I'm not going to be working on that today. But I will be working on it, and I will be making a video about that. So just so if you want to pay it, be a part of that, you know, let me know. Okay. So anyway, I thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions about this, and if possibly you like this sort of thing and you want one for yourself, contact me. Drop me a message. I'll send you some contact information. We can email, message, text, whatever, and we can set something up. Okay? I'm not. Wow. I'm definitely willing to work with people and take on different kinds of ideas and different kind of themes. This is going to be kind of a gardening theme. I made one that's more horse-like Western theme. I can make one that's even more, a little more Western theme. So if you have any, I can even make them more automotive themed. I have some ideas about that as well. So just, like I said, get in touch and, get in touch with me. And it would be a great birthday gift for somebody, somebody who's maybe a big cook in the kitchen, so, or maybe somebody who's like finishing off their dream kitchen, and you thinking, hey, this would be really something nice, especially when you're thinking, yeah, you could go and buy something from somebody, but why don't you have something made by somebody? And listen, I'm in this to make some money. I'm in this to make some money. I'm not in this to make a killing. Okay? Because when I make a killing, if I make a killing off something, then I don't have any long-term customers. I want long-term customers. I want customers that's going to keep coming back and be like, hey, you made that pot rack for me 2 or 3 years ago. Would you care to make a lamp, or would you care to make something else? And I'll be like, yeah, sure, man. Yeah, what do you got in mind? So that's what I'm talking about. Okay? All right. Thank you for watching this, and I do appreciate it. And do have yourselves a fantastic Christmas. It's coming up pretty soon. And if you have any questions about this, you know what to do. Drop it down below. I'll be glad to answer any questions you got about it, okay? Or any other videos for that matter, okay? I love that interaction back and forth. And with that, I'll say thank you and God bless, and have a great one.